Hello students, my name is Jessica Sequeira. I'm going to be your English teacher today. Today we are going to study the greenhouse effect. This topic is for 10th grade, so please pay attention. This is the vocabulary we are going to use in this class. We have climate change, warming, thermostat, temperatures, sunscreen, night, space, air, water, gases, nitrogen, and oxygen. This is the simple vocabulary we'll be using in this class. Now, please pay attention to the video.
The greenhouse effect. We know that climate change is being caused by the warming of our planet. But what causes this warming? Who or what is in control of the thermostat? You think the north is cold. If you went for a walk on Mars during the day, you'd probably want to wear a bathing suit and a lot of sunscreen, as it would be about 37 degrees Celsius. But at night, the warmest parka wouldn't do you much good, as temperatures would plummet down to a nippy minus 123 degrees Celsius or so. Why does Mars cool off so much at night? It's because the sun's heat scoots right back out into the space when the sun goes down. Mars doesn't have much of a blanket to keep the warm of the day. Down here on planet Earth, about half of the sun's heat that reaches us is absorbed by the land and water. When the sun goes down, the absorbed heat is slowly released into the air. We also have an atmosphere, a layer of gases surrounding the Earth that absorbs some of the sun's heat and also helps keep the released surface heat from floating quickly off into space. The atmosphere is like a blanket that surrounds the world. This atmosphere also lets in just the right amount of sun's heat, about 70%, and affects the rest, sending it packing back out into space. Most of the atmosphere is made up of nitrogen, and oxygen is pretty important as it allows us to breathe. However, is the water vapor in the atmosphere and a tiny amount of trace gases that keep us from frying and freezing on planet Earth.
Okay, now we have the information. What we're going to do in this case, place the number from 1 to 5 to 6 and integrate effect to put them in the proper order. So we are going to organize the idea. We have the number 1, shortwave solar energy wave enter the atmosphere from the sun. Number 2, some solar energy wave reflect off of clouds and greenhouse gases and return to space. Now we are going to look for number 3. Excellent. Other solar energy waves make it to the Earth's surface. Number 4. Remember, we need to read to find the right sentences to complete the paragraph. When solar energy waves hit the Earth's surface, they slow down and form longer heat thermal energy waves. Number 5. These longer heat energy waves have trouble getting back out into the space through the greenhouse gases. And the last one, heat drop in the atmosphere warm the planet. So this is the paragraph we were talking about, the greenhouse effect. Now we are going to look up the homework for this week. The homework is something simple. Complete the chart with the information from the article from activity 1. Do you remember activity 1? The greenhouse effect rhythm. You are going to look for cause and effect. Con esto también te queremos invitar a matricularte en todos los centros educativos. Me gusta estudiar, voy a prosperar. Tengo que decirme adiós. I have to say goodbye. See you next time. Bye. Take care.